Why hello there! Today we look at the premier Maurice Lacroix Pontos S diver in black and bronze. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Following up on the last year's update to the Pontos, Maurice Lacroix has just introduced a range extension with a black DLC case and a limited edition bronze one. Always in the shadow of the Aikon, see our video linked in the description if you are curious. The Pontos is a vintage-inspired compressor-style dive watch. While the case does not include the supercompressor water resistance feature, it still utilizes the internal timing bezel, operated by the upper crown. The at-a-glance legibility is the key here. The yellow minute hand, the dial symmetry, even the size of 42 millimeters. It has presence, but it avoids being too much in your face. But if you need to take it to the next level, then maybe one of the 888 bronze ones is for you. Though the consensus at HHN is that the black one is the way to go. The bronze one is €450 more expensive. Both watches are available on straps, but not on bracelets. The watches movement is a generic Sellita SW200-1, rebranded by Maurice Lacroix as ML115. Yet, if you are willing to overlook that, the Pontos is a solid, more affordable, and a non-obvious alternative to the Legend Diver by Longines. It ticks the same boxes. It has less cluttered dial while adding a date complication, and the DLC coating is more scratch-resistant than PVD, used by Longines. How about that? We are glad you took that dive with us. Stay tuned and catch you in the next one.